This actually broke me. That for some months I wasn't even looking at importation. I stopped posting in my group. I stopped thinking about importation. I gave up on importation. So this is a very huge challenge in importation. Hey, you're welcome to my channel. This is Ghaneva Egg channel and I am Ghaneva. This channel is all about personal development, business tips, especially in mini importation and lifestyle as well. You are welcome to join the community. So please do well to subscribe to the channel, like this video if you find this video helpful after watching it to the end. So today's episode we are going to talk about challenges in mini importation. Mini importation is a very side nice hustle job, but while this job also give a lot of benefits to you, while I've made video about some of the benefit that you can get in mini importation, there are lots of challenges in mini importation. So I wrote them down here and I'm going to share it with you, especially if you are someone that you are thinking about starting mini importation, or you've seen a lot of people making money from mini importation and you keep asking yourself, is it that luxurious? Then this video is for you. So the first challenge that I have here on my list is starting capital is a big challenge, especially when you are new in mini importation. Before you can start mini importation business, you need to invest before you can start. This investment is about buying items outside your country at a wholesale price and selling them in your country. If you don't have the amount of capital to start that business, you will really find it difficult when you are starting mini importation business. In some cases, you can start pre-order business, but pre-order business also comes with a lot of challenges as well. So a big challenge for anyone, especially when you are starting it out new, is the capital that you're going to invest in your business. That's the number one first challenge that I personally I had when I started new. The second one on my list is pre-order can delay and sometimes it can disappoint you. Items not arrive as expected and you might have think to refund the customers from your own packet even when you don't have. So what I actually talk about on this point is that you can choose to do pre-order business when you don't have the amount of capital to start. This is when you don't have the enough capital to start, you can choose to do pre-order. But pre-order business also comes with a lot of challenges. If you don't know anything about pre-order simply means that people would buy the things, they will give you the money before you order them for them. So when you ship the things by air shipment, it takes about 2 weeks. Some also takes about 3 weeks, but with sea shipment, it takes about 40 to 50 days, and sometimes anything can happen. Your shipping company may even fail you that it might not come in that estimated days. So with pre-order too, it comes with a lot of challenges. And sometimes you would order something and you might not get the same thing that you ordered. That's why I have a video on this channel about things you don't know about 1688 and Alipay, and how to find legit suppliers on 1688. This will save you a lot of heartbreaks. Trust me, go and watch this video so you know how to find legit suppliers so that you get exactly as what you ordered. That's the second challenge. Now, with the third challenge, the shipping fee of the items that you shipped can be so expensive. Now, I have a video on how to get verified shipping companies. So please do well to go and watch it and know how to get these people. These shipping companies, I also give you the experience that I had with them, if it was good, bad, or excellent, so you can decide to either try them or to just choose the ones that I had the experience with them as excellent. And this is the course that I took time to structure. So I'll put this course in the description at a very lowest price, okay? So you can get access to them, especially when you're already into mini importation or you just want to start. Getting back to the shipping fees, sometimes your customers might even say they don't want the items anymore. And what are you going to do about it? You have no idea the challenges in mini importation. There are a lot of challenges. So when you see someone or you want to go into that importation, this is what you have to also take note of. So going to the next one, customers that ordered for things on pre-order might tell you that they don't need it again, my dear. And this has actually happened to me before. So there is this customer that I ordered a laptop for that cost about 6,090 Ghana cedis. It was about 5 days that my supplier hasn't sent the laptop to the shipping companies to ship it to my location. This was because they made mistake in writing my shipping mark on the items. If you don't know anything about shipping mark, I have a full video on that on video that I made about shipping companies, so you can just straight away check on that. So, getting back to what I'm saying, the supplier made mistake on writing my shipping mark. So, they actually didn't know that they've received it. I'm talking about my shipping company. My shipping companies, since they got my items and my shipping mark was different than from what they actually incorporated into the shipping address. They didn't know that that was my package, and the supplier has already sent that in, but I wasn't getting any notice. So this customer was very angry that it's been 5 days and his items hasn't been shipped to the shipping companies. So I get back to my supplier and he sent me a screenshot of my packages that he sent to the shipping company. When I checked it, she has made a mistake writing my shipping mark. So in this case, I had to send the screenshot of the packaged items to my shipping company. Now, we got to know that the items has been delivered. And when I told this person, my customer, well, my customer, because he has been buying something from me about 2 times, when I told him, he now said that the thing has, before that, before that, it seems I'm forgotten it. Now, when I told him that it was a mistake my supplier made when writing my shipping mark, the shipping company has given me this kind of amount that you need to pay before they can ship your items. In air shipment, you need to pay before they ship your items. But in sea shipment, your things arrive before you pay. So when I gave the charges to this person of, that's my customer, okay, when I gave these charges to him, he now said that the charge is too expensive. But before that, I told him that the charges of air shipment is going to be really huge. So he should use sea shipment. But he said no. He wants me to come early, so he wants to use air shipment. Now this charge came and it's expensive, like I told you earlier, and now he's saying I should send the things back. That was such a heartbreak for me. Well, I didn't realize that that hurt me so much after I told my parents about the whole situation, and I felt like now there's something wrong because I saw it like, okay, he doesn't want it again, so I'm sending it back. But when I told my parents, because this person was even a family member, so when I told my parents about it, they were like, wasn't it the same laptop? I said it is. And you told him before that it's going to be expensive, and I said yes, I did. Cutting everything short, I sent it back to the supplier. Now the supplier told me that it's either she's not going to mind me or she only pays half of the money. So in this case, my mom told me that I made a very huge mistake by sending back the laptop. I shouldn't have sent it back. I should have brought it or I should allow my shipping companies to ship them to my location so that when it arrives, I can sell it and give them money. But in this case, that I send it back to the supplier, I agree that she should pay half of the money. Now, it's my parent that helped me pay half of the money when the supplier gave me that half of the money. This actually broke me. That for some months, I wasn't even looking at importation. I stopped posting in my group. I stopped thinking about importation. I gave up on importation. So this is a very huge challenge in importation. So if you are going to importation, know that these things can happen and be ready for it. The next one that I have here on my list is how you get your things. You've been able to successfully order it on the 1688 app. You've been able to successfully ship your item, that it has arrived at your location. Now, the big, huge problem is how you will be able to receive your items at your place. Let me explain this connections so you get this point very well. Now, when you are shipping your things on 1688 from the supplier is going to send it to your shipping companies. When they are sending this to your shipping companies, it is not for free. You are going to pay a logistic fee, a courier fee that is going to send your items to the shipping company. Now, when this shipping company receive the items, you are going to pay for shipping fee before it arrive in your country. When it arrive in your country and you are not close to the shipping company in your country, you are going to pay another delivery fee to your location. So let's say you are in location A, and inside location A, we have a lot of location as well. So while you are able to pay the shipping company, you have been able to successfully let your things arrive. You are going to pay delivery people to bring the items to your location A. Now, when it comes to location A, you are staying in the locations that are in location A, that means location C, D, E. Now, when you are in location G, you are also going to pay again to get it to your doorsteps at your location E. That's how long it is. And I hope you get it in the way that I've been able to gradually explain everything. Now, this is a very big challenge when you are not close to your shipping company. The next one that most of the time I see it on the social media is getting what you ordered. Most of the times you will buy something and you are not going to get what you ordered. So after going through all these stresses, you are not going to get exactly as you ordered. So a friend of mine ordered something on 1688 and she got totally a different thing. A different thing I don't want to talk about here because it might seem like I'm teasing her, okay? It might seem like I'm teasing her, but I'm not. I'm just using it as an example for you to understand. So, lots of challenges in mini importation, but I have a video on this channel on how to get legit suppliers. So please do well to get some time to watch this video so you don't fall a victim to that. The next one on my list is that consistency is not easy in pre-order business or mini importation business, especially when you are starting out new, because you are new to your customers and they have to trust you, and you also have to spend a lot of time in the business, like telling people to buy from you, groups as well, making videos and making flyers as well. There are a lot of things that it's in pre-order business and the challenges. So when you're starting out new, please do well to tell your family members, your friends as well, because these people already know you. So they trusting you is going to be very easy. So as time goes on, they will patronize your business to others as well. The next one that I have here is leveraging on platforms like WhatsApp, especially when you are creating groups. So when you're starting new in mini importation business, or even when you are old in it, creating WhatsApp group or any other media to sell your things isn't easy. When I started out new, I told my friends to post my group link on their status for me. And some might do it, some might not do it as well. And when I tell them to post it on their stats for me, I also tell them to tell their friends as well to do it. And that's how I started, by creating WhatsApp groups and posting my items in there and starting my pre-order business. The next one I have here is being able to keep these people in the WhatsApp group, because whenever you post something in there, someone is going to leave. If you are already an importer and you are watching me, I know you would understand the kind of feeling that I'm having right now. And I always have that one. Even when you put the guidelines in the group that follow these steps so that the things I post in the group won't save on your phone device, they'll still leave. And that's a very big challenge for me in mini importation business. Even though I still have experience in mini importation, but keeping people in your group is a whole lot. The last one that I have here is the stress. The mental and the physical stress that you go in is not easy. Starting from your suppliers, your shipping companies, your warehouse in your location, and with delivery guys as well. So with the examples that I gave about how you get your things, only that stress you will know. And you also get stress from customers, because most of the times people would buy something and what they expected to have, it didn't match their expectations, and they would frustrate you, ask you that I didn't get what I ordered. You said it is green, but I got yellow color, and a whole lot. Because sometimes the things might keep longer than you expected, and your customers will be giving you all the stress, frustrating you that the items are not coming. There are lots in mini importation, okay? And this is what I have. If you are an importer and you are watching me, you can add your challenges that you are facing currently, so we would all know this. Give us solutions as well, so we would be able to thrive in our mini importation business. For the stress, it comes with posting in the group, because you need to search the items on 1688, save all of them, change all of them from the Chinese currency to your currency. Now you take the orders, with the chatting with suppliers, chatting with shipping companies, the fees that it is involved, the tracking of the items. They are all stresses that you would actually overcome them when you keep on having experience in mini importation business. Because most of the legends that we see them today, it's because they started and they kept doing it, and that's how they become legend. So these are challenges that I face personally in mini importation business. If you have your own challenges as well, please let us know in the comment section. As well, if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like this video, share this video to someone you think that person needs it, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.